Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a like-new GM certified 2018 GMC Terrain Denali all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7929A. Only 4,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Terrain brand new, Summit White in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, backup camera, rear parking sensors, hitch and wiring, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear with additional underfloor storage. And of course, with only 4,000 miles, no dents or dings in the body. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power liftgate control, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, again only 4,000 miles, with driver information system. It's also where you set the forward collision alert, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable. Navigation. Backup camera, as well as bird's eye view and forward camera at low speeds. Hard keys below for climate, dual zone, automatic temperature control, automatic transmission, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Heated seats and all-wheel drive lock. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and sunshade control. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 252 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway. And again, only 4,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.